Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a protective style using your CurlsCurls clip-ins. You start with a piece that has 5 clips. I start with the middle clip so that it's even all the way around. I clip that piece flat in front of my bun. Then I pull the track around my hair and tuck the second clip under my hair without actually clipping it. This helps reduce the amount of tension on my hair. When I get to that third one at the end, I clip it vertically up using my hair as an anchor. I do the same thing to the other side, tucking one of the clips under my hair to reduce the tension, and then clipping that last clip vertically against my bun. I'm going to use another piece that has 4 clips. Starting in the back, I'm going to do the same thing I did for the first piece, except all of these will be clipped vertically on my bun. I try not to do the second one too tight, generally because it allows me to get a little bit more volume with the hair pieces, and it also keeps me from getting headaches. Now you guys can see how it's clipped all the way around my head. It's nice and neat and it's not too tight. Now I'm just going to wrap this around to make a really nice, cute little bun. I absolutely love these clip-ins. They look so natural and they're so easy to use. And it's a really good protective style that you can just kind of throw up there. This whole process took me probably about 3 minutes. Maybe 4, because I like to pick at it until I get it exactly how I like it. So this is it. This is my final style. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that this was an easy to follow tutorial. I will also be posting a video on how I did this head wrap coming soon. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at McCurl for more videos.